Hi there, this is Jacob Nash, and this is a review of Module 49, Gender Development. Okay, so what is gender? Gender is characteristics that a society typically defines as male and female. Sorry, I just kicked the windowsill. Agrogeny is the possession of both masculine and feminine characteristics. Aggression, what is this? Physical or verbal behavior meant to hurt. That's the definition of aggression, and it is typically higher for men. Do you remember what thing helps to control that? It's the amygdala. Here's a quote by Lloyd Boyd, conspiranoid. Oh, that poor man, he launched himself in his lawn chair. Now he wears a tinfoil hat. Oh, sorry. Well, anyways, for any given characteristic, it's usually worse for men. For example, lifespan, aggression, some disorders. Not everything, but that's something, you know. Theory of Carol Gilligan. This is Carol Gilligan. She says Kohlberg is a dummy. Why? Well, she says Kohlberg is wrong. Remember, we learned about, I don't remember what module that was. What was it, like 48, 47? You know, you probably watched it more recent than I made it. But Kohlberg's one of those guys. Remember, we have Piaget, we have Kohlberg, we have Erikson. They're the three dudes that, you know, that you gotta know. Kohlberg, though, he's wrong, or Gilligan said she's wrong that all people struggle to find independent identity. That's what Kohlberg said. He was like, people struggle to find independent identity. She said, instead, that's only true of men. Women want connections instead of independent identity. So you need to know that that's what Gilligan thinks. She thinks women want connections, men want independent identities. So she's trying to say it's not the same for all. Gender roles. So this is a set of expected behaviors of males and females. In the more recent years, these gender roles that we typically followed for a long time, like centuries or whatever, have been a little bit changed by modern society. One example is that a lot of, in the more recent years, decades, a lot of more women are in the workforce than back in the old days, you know. That's one example. Social learning theory. This is the theory that we learn social behavior by observing and imitating social behavior. So this kid sees his dad pushing a lawnmower. Oh, he wants a lawnmower toy. He wants to do it too. I would call it a mow lawner, I think, when I was a kid. And I had a lawnmower toy myself. I would say mow grasser. The mow grasser. Yeah, it's not called a mow grasser, just so you know. But anyways, gender typing. This is a acquisition of a typical role. So all of a sudden now this boy feels that he is a boy. He feels that's what things that he's been gender typed. He feels that these are the roles and these are the ways that he's supposed to be as a boy. Okay, pre-programmed. This is just a brief random thing. I only included it because the module question has that. But anyways, it's when newborns focus on faces with jumbled features. So let's say we show newborns these two things, and then the newborn's like, and they look at that. That's sign of them being pre-programmed. That's what that word means, basically. All right, let's do these questions. The possession of both masculine and feminine characteristics is called, remember, agrogeny. What was Carol Gilligan's criticisms of Lawrence Kohlberg's theory? She said that it's only what it's like for males. Females are more concerned with making connections than finding independent identity. When newborns focus on faces with jumbled features, this is evidence that social interaction is pre-programmed. There you go. Thanks for watching.